Alright, so we're gonna do a little cocktail while Jeanette makes her art. We had a little break, so now we're gonna make a little drink so we can get relaxed and keep doing art. So it's very simple. What we're gonna do is espresso martini cocktail made up with Tito's vodka. You can make it with vodka. We're not trying to promote it or nothing like that. You know, we just like it. And we're doing an Owens espresso martini, which is actually pretty nice. And it's pretty simple. We do whatever part of vodka you want to do. You do other 2 parts of the Owens espresso martini, and that's it. You shake it. You can put it in a blender if you want. Oh, we also add a little bit of almond creamer just to make it a little more creamier. So yep. You should put a little spores spout. How do you call this? Whatever it's called.
Spout.
Spore spout. And I bartended for years. I know I can't remember the names of, you know. I also have memory issues. So yeah, okay. So we have the Owens. You probably erase that part and I'll go back to it. You're gonna edit it.
All right, Paul.
All right. So okay. Yeah. So we're making a drink again. On the espresso martini. All right. So we can watch me do it. What am I doing? All right. So yeah, we're gonna rewind. I'm gonna start from scratch again, bro. Because now, you know, this is the way it is. All right. So this is the 3rd time I'm doing this, so I'm gonna make it shorter. We're gonna make an espresso martini. 1 part of vodka, 2 counts of espresso martini mix is actually very nice. And then I want to garnish it with a bit of, we got a little canela stick.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, there you go. Remember that. And we'll just, yeah, that's it. I already added some vodka here, so I'm going to go ahead and just add the espresso martini mix. Just give it a little shake. You can put it on a blender if you want. If you don't have a shaker, it's fine. That'll make the same thing. It'll get it foamy. That should be it. Let's see it. Look at that. And we'll just strain it so we don't get the ice in there. A little bit of ice. So that's fine. And another one for me. I know that bigger one than hers.
And you?
Oh, that's actually, look, a perfect pour. So yeah, and I'm gonna garnish it a little bit with the cinnamon. Just to give it a little touch. That should be it. Salud. Dale, pon it. I forgot the fucking creamer. I forgot the creamer. So yeah, I'm gonna add the creamer that I forgot. And not too much because it's concentrated. And this is just almond creamer. There's no dairies on it, so for the record, I'll put a little more. We shake it again. That should be it. All right. Voila. All right, and salute.
Quick one.
It's gonna be cucumbers, ginger. Cucumber, ginger, what's it out? I think it's mandarin. If I'm not wrong, it's a citron marmalade, so orange.
Yep.
And here we go.
Y pepino y cucumber.
Yeah, it's model cucumbers with ginger and the marmalade. It's all integrated. Cool. So we're gonna pour that here into 2 glasses, and we're gonna top it off with a little bit of this awesome ginger beer. It's gonna give you a little crispy. Oh, it's gonna get a little fucked up the opening, but.
So we got the desk going on right here.
Oh man.
And then my desk going on over here. There's Bob. The snow.
Give it a try.
And you know.
It's got ginger beer and real ginger. Salud.
Salud.
It's vodka based.